Incident domestic disturbance welfare check, leading to domestic battery arrest date, the 23rd of October 2025, location residential apartment complex, rear upstairs unit.
Yeah, hey, come on out.
My car?
Yeah, you. Officer Ranger, Cook County Sheriff's Police. You got your driver's license?
Okay,
you work, but you got a car, you just got done. You live in Iowa.
I don't live in Iowa. I live in Chicago. Today's my birthday.
Okay, that's fine. Your car's getting towed.
Okay.
You got a picture?
No, it's my boyfriend. I just drove down here to get me some shoes.
Gotcha. Stop over there.
Okay.
Let me see the keys to the car, please.
Okay.
Wait. What are you doing?
I'm getting my ID out the purse right there.
Okay.
Why don't you give the officer your name and birthday? There.
I'm gonna explain to you what's
What
happening.
happened? The car is wanted.
Would you hold on?
Okay.
Would you please get your license?
My birthday was just yesterday.
This is an ID. Where's your driver's license?
Who? I don't have it.
Then why are you driving?
Schaefer, let me
I
get.
just was around the corner. I've been driving this car for 2 days. I'm telling you the truth. I'm telling you the truth. I just rode right here to get my shoes.
Jasmine.
Yes.
Jasmine, hold on. Take a breath. Let's all take a breath.
Okay, what happened?
All right. Well, you're illegally parked. You're parked in front of a fire
hydrant.
Yeah. You can't be doing that.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Okay. Are these your house keys?
Yes.
Okay. This is the car key?
Here's everything. My purse, my card.
Wait,
sorry.
hold on.
Ray, give me your ID. I'll rather make sure clear for warrants and we're good.
Okay, hold on to this, okay? Just hold on to that for now.
Hi, miss, come here.
I'm trying
Over
to
here.
get my
I know I've had enough.
Bro, stop touching me.
Now you're going to jail.
I'm not.
There you are. Hold on. You fight me and you...
I didn't. You pushed me into your arms.
There you go.
I'm finna go get my ID.
I'm going to tase you.
I was. I didn't have to.
Relax.
Hold the air.
Okay.
Hold the air, Ray. Hold it.
No, we're not.
Fine.
County, hold the air. Get her in cuffs.
I know. I'm trying to, Ray.
She's fighting with us.
I didn't. I tried to go get the ID.
Tell me you did that body camera. Are you kidding me? County, can I just want a subject?
I didn't do
Christ.
nothing. I was gonna get the ID. You scared me talking about don't go get no ID. Bro,
I got her. Come over here.
he
Stand
done
right here.
unbuttoned my shirt.
Stand right here.
Can you,
Stand right here.
I didn't do nothing to you.
Stand right here.
He pushed my head into you. Can you help me? Okay. You want me to be calm?
Open up the air. Subject is detained.
Can you button my shirt up?
Yeah. Give me a second. Okay, what I'm gonna do, okay, I'm gonna take you to the car. Okay, we got body cameras on.
Can you button my shirt up?
I don't want to touch your shirt. I'm gonna get a female over
Can
here.
you pull it closed?
No. We're not gonna do that. Come on over here so we can get in the car, okay?
He's trying to fight me.
Come over here. Sit over here. Let's get in the car. Back seat. Unlock the door, please, Ramos.
Bro.
Have a seat, sweetheart. Thank you. I appreciate it. She's fine.
Yeah, 10-4 active warrant. All right, 10-4. Yes. Yeah.
Somebody backing up 43. Complete. Show me around to 42.
Yeah. Ray, can I get your keys? Can I get your key? I'm going to Mirandize her. Thank you.
Go ahead. It's unlocked.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, will only provide it to you at no cost to you. You have the right to have this lawyer with you while you are being questioned. You have a right not to make any statements nor answer any questions. You're being charged with aggravated battery.
83.
Thank you, Ray.
Yeah, they just show me 23.
She get me?
Yeah.
Sorry, 332. Just.
Here's the keys to the car.
You know, she went to bite me.
Keys to the car. When do you do a tow sheet? Tow sheet? Give me the phone.
They right here, the police. That's my sister.
You care less. You're in custody. You don't get to use your phone. God forbid someone shows up here too.
Jack, what happened?
A toll turned into that.
I just got it. I was knocking out paperwork.
Thanks, Brad.
Hey, Lou. Yeah, she tried fighting us. So I'm gonna transport. She's got. Hold on.
I tried to run off and he pushed me into his arm when they grabbed me. I never bit you. I never bit you.
Okay, this is why we have body cameras. You all right?
I never bit you.
Yeah, I'm fine. Well, we got body cameras. That's you get.
You right? You need medical attention? So it's non-extraditable? Yeah.
What? It's non-extraditable.
That's what Cruiser said.
I didn't do anything.
So, this is great.
44, 10-4, stop at the 28 John.
All right.
Big, 33, 32,
Go down there.
going up for info.
She wants to apply that.
She's parked in a tow zone at a fire hydrant.
You got any tickets or anything on this?
We'll figure it out.
So I'd say thank you.
Why are we, I've never written, none of us have ever written a citation.
Huh?
None of us have ever written citations. We just told her time.
If she would be blocking, but yeah, man, about this, if she's, I would just write, for the hiking. About that.
Do we got to use a force mic?
Yeah, for sure. Unless you want to review it.
I'm asking.
Well,
Mike, we'll use it.
yeah, we're going to do your sports back. Give me a sec, all right, guys? Why did you run? Why did you run away? Hey, Ray, you put the window down? Ray?
Yeah.
Put the window down?
Why? What's up?
I'm going to ask you why she ran.
Y'all scared me. I'm trying to. You told me, but I just used something. I was going to go get.
But
proof
I want to know why you ran away.
because I was going to get proof that
Miss, you ran away, and you ran away because I scared you?
Yes.
Did you know you had this warrant, right?
From Will County, I've been through there.
Okay.
There was nothing to that.
So how'd you get here? You drove?
I just drove from my house. Yesterday was my birthday. I only came down here to Nike to grab me some shoes. I was finna go back home. I wish I just Ubered. I don't even drive that car. I drove it today. I never drove that car.
Who owns that car?
My boyfriend.
Oh. Did you know your driver's license was suspended?
I've been through there.
Legal issue. One community caretaking doctrine officers conducted a knock-and-talk welfare check without a warrant. Authority Katie versus Dombrowski, 413 U.S. 4 331973. Officers may engage in non-investigative protective functions independent of any criminal inquiry. Constitutional limit Caniglia v. Strom, 593 U.S. 1 942021. The community caretaking exception does not justify warrantless home entry. Officers here remained at the threshold. No entry was made. This is the correct constitutional boundary. Lesson learned: de-escalation as legal compliance. Officers used de-escalation to obtain voluntary subject cooperation. No force, no entry, no coercion. This approach: 1. Avoids Fourth Amendment issues. 2. Produces admissible statements. 3. Reduces civil liability exposure. 4. Is consistent with PERF critical decision-making model guidelines. De-escalation is not just best practice, it is legally protective for officers. Lesson learned: parallel investigation structure. Separating the welfare check team from the investigating officer is tactically and legally sound. It prevents the subject from monitoring or influencing the witness interview. It allows independent probable cause development critical when the subject denies wrongdoing. Evidence gathered separately is stronger and less susceptible to suppression challenges. Outcome: the subject was placed under arrest for domestic battery. Miranda rights were properly administered prior to custodial interrogation. Charge: domestic battery misdemeanor, first offense. Case outcome pending. Verify via public records for follow-up analysis.